Welcome to our Got Talent show. Can we have first contestant? What's your name and what's your talent?
My name is Putin. I gonna show my singing and dancing talent that will shiver you all.
My heart is cold. My moves are cold.
I am agree with you.
I am with your decision.
Yo. Yo. Uh-huh.
Next contestant. Overrated performance.
Definitely.
I am human after all. I am human after all.
What the fuck was that?
Harry Ball, you forgot to take dementia pill again. You are a judge.
What? I am judge. I'm back to my sense next.
You Rickroll OE judges.
You are dead man.
Gotcha.
What's your name and what you gonna do today?
Yo, my name is Buckleshoe. I'm here to sing nursery rhyme.
You said nursery rhyme, that's boring as hell. Definitely no for me.
Come on, boss. That's not fair. At least see his performance before hitting red button.
Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks.
Oh my gosh. This was the best poem I ever heard in my life. You deserve more.
Yo. Yo. Uh-huh.
I have to say that was one of the best performances we have seen on this show in a long time. You deserve a golden buzzer.
That is so fire!